Hello everyone, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Let me turn on the lights so we have better quality for our video. So today I'm just giving a message, love. Love to everybody, love heals, and we have to spread love. We have to be playful through love. We are love, we have love inside of us. So give this message, sing it, write it, text it, express it in any ways. This is how we heal, this is how we help people, this is how we feel inside of us that there is this love still existing there. So I'm dedicating this song for you, and spread this message to everybody. Do in your own way, and believe me, we will have a better tomorrow. I'm wishing a better tomorrow. Let's start thinking of better tomorrow, and everything will finish. Thank you for listening to me. I just dedicated this song to everybody, just expressing myself. When the rain is blowing in your face, the war is on your case, I could offer a warm embrace to make you feel my love. One evening out when the stars appear, and there is no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years, make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I would never do you wrong. I've known you from the moment that we met, and I'll take my word where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue, I go crawling down behind you. I know there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. Everybody has to think positively, spread the love message to everybody. The storm are raging on the rolling sea, and on the highway of regret, the wind of changes are good and free. You ain't seen nothing like me, yeah. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do, nothing I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love. Thank you very much. Spread this message. I love you.